Hi guys, my name is Egwenu Precious. I'm a developer at Brimble, and today I'm going to be walking you through a beginner-friendly guide on setting up your React project with Brimble. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you want to go to the Brimble web app. I'm going to drop the link in the description for easy access. So when you create your account, you log in, then you see the onboarding stage where you can create your project with Brimble, register your domain on Brimble, and even get your team on board. So yeah, also you guys, you can also connect with your friends and like minds on Brimble, but that feature is coming soon. So anyways, let's just go to the main thing for today. So today we're just gonna be, you can see I don't have any project now. I just created this account, so we're gonna do it together. So just create your project, and yeah, I've connected my GitHub to Brimble, and that was because I used my GitHub to log in to Brimble. So you can now see all my projects from GitHub, like everything. So we're going to, let me pick this blackout. I built it with Next.js, so we're going to try to host it together. So this is the project name. My branch, the branch I want to deploy is the main branch. You can also see the other branches I have there, but we're just going to deploy the main branch. Also, it's in the root directory. My framework is Next.js, but I can also change it to different frameworks I have in case Brimble did not guess it right. So, but of course they did. So also the basic build settings. So I guess mine is npm install and npm next npx next build. So we're not using Born as the Node.js. So also, yeah, I have an env to put here. So I just go to my project, get the key, put it here, and the value, yeah. So I can add multiple keys if I have one. My own project, I only have like the public API token, so I just deploy it. Yeah, so you can see the deployment logs. Yeah, our project is live, so let's view our project. So now you can see our dashboard is saying we have one deployed project, one project is connected to Brimble's domain, and when you click on it, you just see the project we hosted, which is blackout. It's active, the project details, framework, the project name, the current log. My repository too is here, so you can also change the configuration and redeploy it, and also check the analytics. But this is for pro accounts. We're going to talk about how you can buy domain from Brimble and connect it to your application in our next video. Also, you can change the environment variable by using the raw editor or in a JSON format, or delete it if you want. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments and I'll take my time to respond here. Anyways, bye guys.